I'll just give you guys a peek of what's going on here. Just a peek. Oh yeah, lights, camera, action. Here we go. That's one of ours. Not too shabby, huh? Almost like we know what we're doing. All right, so the homeowner's complaint is that this manifold, which feeds multiple bathrooms, a kitchen, is not working. That one is. I got my thermal imaging camera. Everything is nice and toasty there. Over here, not so much. Matter of fact, it's kind of like ice cold. The temperature dial says around 85. This one says around 90. It's cold. So here's our supply. Let's follow that pipe, which then goes to, oh, we got a Taco 007E there that's in green mode. Why are you in green mode? Interesting. Why are you in green mode? That means you're in economy mode. You've been running for X amount of time, and unlike that, which is powered, that one's powered. Something is up with that. All right, I just turned off the switch. Killed everything over there. But not the boiler. Boiler's still on. Let's turn that back on. See what happens here. Let's see. All right, you see these thingies right here? These are called mixing valves, or more technical, thermostatic mixing valves. And these are, while they're can be used for 3/4 inch. They're technically 1 inch because they come with these unions here, which is 1 inch sweat, but that's still 3/4. These like to die and get crudded up and filled with caulk. I took the cap off and I used the back side of the cap. It has that little triangle looking thing. And I just went back and forth on the temperature adjustment on it. And we're getting hot. Now we're at 90 and slowly climbing. These thermostatic mixing valves, regardless of the brand, it could be Webstone, it could be Taco, it could be Honeywell, it could be Caleffi. They all are subject to water quality, and I'm gonna end up replacing that. Is it gonna be today? Probably not, but I'm gonna replace it with the identical model because I already have unions in place and it would make the job easier as a direct replacement. Close that valve. This is our supply, and then we have it pulling water, mixed water. This is cold water coming back from the return, which is here. And this is a check valve. I guess that's only water going one direction. So this pulls water, cooler water there. Now look, we're at 95, almost 90 there. Yep, so we're good there. All right, it's been a few more minutes. We're about 105 degrees now on our supply, 85 on the return. So we are circulating, not too shabby. We're gonna recommend that the homeowner, we replace this 1 inch Taco thermostatic mixing valve. We could go a little crazy with a Caleffi and triple the price, change the orientation of everything, but let's just not reinvent the wheel here. We'll just get them a new one of these, loosen up the union, swap it in there. Easy peasy, not too shabby. Take a look now at that upper manifold, nice and toasty there. We have 111, 112 degrees. This one's starting to come back hot already, number 7. These are still kind of cold. Number 3, also coming back, starting to come back hot. Let's use the Guide SenseSmart E2 thermal imaging camera, and let's check out the floor and see if we can see any heat coming on the floor yet.
See anything?
Yep.
Ooh.
All right, so here is the master bedroom, bathroom, and we're just starting to come up there. Just starting to come up there. It's gonna be a while. We have this nice thick marble floor here, so. You see? And you can feel it here too, by the way. Nice and toasty. All right, back to this manifold. Heating up, 110 now. A little over 80 degrees there, Fahrenheit on the return. We're circulating. Good stuff. Good stuff. You gotta love those thermostatic mixing valves.